Hi everyone, I've put together a compilation of 4 soup recipes. These are my go-to soup recipes whenever I want something easy, healthy, and don't require much effort to make. So let's get started.
First recipe, Korean seaweed soup. This is a light, simple soup made with natural ingredients and it's ready in just 20 minutes. First, rinse the seaweed to remove any impurities. Then soak until it becomes soft and pliable. And chop the seaweed into smaller pieces. Saute garlic and ginger until fragrant, then add the seaweed, continue to saute until fragrant, pour in the chicken stock and bring to a boil. Add the chicken slices. You can also use pork or beef. Cook the meat over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes or until it's cooked through. And there you have it, a simple, comforting and nutritious soup. Second recipe is Daikon radish meatball soup. Another simple, comforting and nutritious soup. First, prep the radish, peel off the skin, then cut it into smaller pieces. Place the radish into a pot, add water and bring to a boil. Then cook on low heat for 30 minutes or until the radish turns soft and slightly translucent. While waiting for the radish, let's prep the meatballs. Add some salt, sugar and cornstarch. Then mix the meat in one direction until it becomes a sticky paste. Then add a bit of water and keep mixing until it forms a sticky paste. Once the radish is cooked, add in meatballs. Cook for 10 minutes or until they're cooked through. You can also add vegetables or noodles, totally optional. Season with salt and garnish with spring onion, coriander and shallot oil. And there you have it, another simple, comforting and nutritious soup. Next, we're making Chinese seaweed soup with minced pork. This is another simple soup made with natural ingredients and it's ready in just 15 minutes. First, season the minced pork with a bit of salt, light soy sauce, sugar and cornstarch. Mix until everything is well combined. In a pot, add water and bring to a boil. Add the minced pork, cook on high heat for about 5 minutes, then add the Chinese seaweed. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Now the final recipe, Chinese cabbage soup. This soup uses simple ingredients and yet is packed with flavor. First, wash the dried shrimps, then soak them for 10 minutes. While waiting, cut the cabbage into smaller pieces and set them aside. Drain the dried shrimps and pat them dry to prevent the oil from splattering. Saute the dried shrimps until they turn fragrant or golden brown. Then add garlic and saute until fragrant. Add the Chinese cabbage, toss and cook until it softens. It will shrink quite a bit. Next, add water or chicken stock. Increase the heat and bring the water to a boil. You can enjoy the soup as is or you can turn this into a one-pot meal. This time I'm adding wontons and noodles. Garnish with coriander or spring onion. For more flavor, you can also add some shallot oil, garlic oil or chili oil. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed all my soup recipes. See you in my next video.